Hi everybody, how y'all doing and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with an unboxing of a webcam that I found on Temu. Now it is 1080p quality, it has full high definition. The frame per second, I don't know how much it is, it may be 30, maybe 60. But when I go ahead on and connect everything up the mill and then go ahead and get the full information of the camera, I will go ahead and let you know that as I close out the video on me using the camera. So enough talking, let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing so we know what we got. Alrighty, as you see right here, I have full HD 1080p full HD camera. The name of the company is Innotech. The name of the model is W10. Video resolution is 1920 by 1080p. Operating voltage is at DC 5 volts. Focus mode, autofocus. So it's best to go ahead on and download a camera app from Microsoft so you can go ahead and control the autofocus, because if you don't do that, then it's going to automatically autofocus in and out and may possibly give you a blur on your face because it's focusing on so much. So keep that in mind. Other built-in microphone. So other than that, I like the presentation on the box. They took well spot on by Innotech to go ahead on and give you full presentation of what the camera looks like. Okay, just like I said, other function is USB plug and play, HD resolution, widescreen video, and built-in microphone. So other than that, let's get right into it. Just like I said, this is the W10 by Innotech, and this should be a great camera. I hope so. Now, the general webcam that I am using did do the job. They lied about the specs, say it was 2K, which I found out was 1080p, 30 FPS. So let's go ahead and get finished. Let's go ahead on and see what we got in the box. Here, they give you a little promotion guide. So if you enter into promotion, cashback, VIP, etc., please feel free to use that. Like I always say, instructions. And please refer to your instructions so you know what to do, how to use it, and understand it. Now, it says 1080p, high definition, webcam, 2mm pixels, and true color image. Auto exposure, auto wide balance, supports 720p, 1080p video call, smooth picture, and frame rate can reach up to 30 FPS. So keep that in mind. It already let me know right then and there it could reach up to 30 FPS. So this is a 30 FPS webcam automatically. At least one thing I like about it, they're being honest about the product. They ain't sit down and say, oh, it's 60 FPS and you get different. Alrighty, nothing else in the box. And the camera itself. Awesome. Oh, nice. The only thing I wish they would have added onto it was a face cover, so when you're done doing it, you could go ahead and close everything out. Some cameras come like that, some cameras don't, and that's not really an issue. You have your USB. One thing I liked about it, it comes with a tripod mount, so you could go ahead on and connect it to a tripod, which that is a big plus to me because I have brought a tripod extender that goes in the back of my desk, so I could be able to use that there to extend it. So other than that, I like the quality of the product. It is heavy. Now I'm gonna go ahead on there and set everything up. Give me about 30 minutes to do that there, and let's do this. All right, everybody, how y'all doing? This is the general webcam that I have purchased off AliExpress. It is a 30 FPS camera. Now it's supposed to be listed as 2K. This is the video quality. The video, I'm looking at it now, the video quality is looking good. I am using Mel Studios for the recording, and I'm using the microphone on the USB webcam. So far, everything looking good. I ain't getting no buffering, no sputtering, or anything like that. This is a 30 FPS webcam. Supposed to be 2K webcam, but I was kind of skeptical about that. This is a high definition. This is at 1080p, and so far the quality is good. Give me about 30 minutes, and I will go ahead and set up Innotech webcam. All right, everybody. I am now using my McGahee G Poly headphones here because one, the Innotech W10 microphone do not work on the webcam. It is mute silence for some reason. I did not get a response from it when I had connected everything up. So, with that, they're saying what I recommended all depends on the quality because right now I'm doing some intakes of it and I will let you know how that looks. All right, everybody, how y'all doing? I'm giving you the final intake of the Innotech W10. Now, I had did one video using the microphone. I didn't get no microphone sound. As you know, I'm using my McGahee G Poly headphones, and that's the only way you hear me because if I did the video, you would not hear me at all. So the microphone on the webcam is inactive. For some reason, I do not know. Video quality. Here we go. I'm using Meld Studios, and when I had did that, the quality gives me 30 FPS, and I could go ahead and switch it to 5 FPS. Now we all know we don't use 5 FPS, so that means that this is more like a 720p um, high definition webcam, not a 1080p. I got this off Temu for $5. They selling it for $13.99, but I got it on sale for like $5 and some change, which it was okay because I'm all in for a bargain. But the best webcam that I am using, the two best, is my general webcam, which gives me good quality picture, as well as the webcam I had purchased off Amazon. Both video links will be in the description below if you want to check those out, as well as the shopping link from Amazon if you want to purchase a nice, good quality 1080p webcam from Amazon. So when it comes down to the Innotech W10 webcam, I'm gonna have to give this a no go. Now, when I went ahead on and watched the quality of it, and even though you see me, everything looking good on Mel, but when I play everything through Pop Player to see it, I get like a fuzzy, blurry image. You can still see me, but the image is just so bad. And that's one thing I do not like is a bad image quality. So with that said, this is a total no go. I would not recommend this camera at all. I would not put any links for this camera at all. I took a chance with it because it was $5. You know, I got it off Temu for sale for $5. Normally, I get my webcam from AliExpress when I bought the general webcam. I am very satisfied with that because everything is functional with that webcam. The microphone, the camera quality, everything. I have no issues with it as well. And I does my sports with the general webcam when I'm in the room doing my sports for WWE. Let's talk Dolphins. Let's talk Hurricanes and everything. Basically, the whole new segment is Let's Talk Sports with Ronald Cleanscale. Yes, me. You're looking at it right there. Um, the general webcam has not let me down, and if I am looking for another webcam, it is a webcam with a privacy cover, so I could go ahead and shut that off. But 9 out of 10, I don't need it because I turn everything off when I'm done. Computer, everything gets shut down, so I don't leave nothing on, so hackers could go ahead and hack into it. But this webcam by Innotech, please stay away from it because when I play everything back, you're gonna go ahead and see the quality. The image is not all that good. Just like I said, they list it as a 1080p webcam, but it goes more for a 720p webcam, and you're gonna see the quality itself. I had did one with using the general webcam. I had did one using the Innotech W10, the microphone, and of course the microphone is not responsive on the webcam, so I had to go ahead and connect up through the McGahee G Poly headphones. So Will I recommend this? No, I would not be putting no affiliate links in the description below. I will be putting the videos in the link in the video below if you want to watch it. And then the videos are my affiliate links. So if you want to purchase you a nice, decent webcam, fine, go ahead on. Now, this separates my channel from gamers. My channel is not based upon gamers because I know gamers have upgraded to the high-end tech that we're using today with the 4K monitors, the heavy-duty cards, the heavy-duty motherboards, the heavy-duty ultra processors, as well as the 9000 series from AMD. So they own more better equipment. So gamers, if you watch this here, the Innotech W10 is not for you. Now, if you're looking for a good 1080p webcam, just to go ahead and get your voice out, get your video out, so you can enjoy playing live streaming with your friends and gameplay like Call of Duty, the finals, etc., Fortnite, whatever you like to play, then find you a nice good camera or get you a nice good 1080p camera by clicking on the links in the description below. Other than that, this webcam by Innotech W10 is garbage. I would not recommend it. I would not be using it. I thought I could go ahead on there and switch out webcams with my daughter, give her the general webcam, but that webcam will be coming back in the room, and I will not be using Innotech W10 webcam in no videos. I will not recommend it. I will not allow you to use it. So, enough talking. And another thing to mention that the back stand is a no-go. It slides. There's no grip. There's no nothing on the webcam. It just all all gloss. So the webcam just slides down and just pointing straight up at the ceiling. So I had to use my your Lenzy tabletop desktop tripod just to go ahead and mount the camera on there. Other than that, the camera sucks. It's no good. Don't buy it. I took a chance with it because I say for $5, what you getting for $5? It's a $13.99 camera, but it was on sale for $5.20. But right now, the quality image is bad. It sucks and it's horrible. Thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.